I'm Rio Panapa. I'm a musician and vlogger, and like you, I'm in lockdown for the next 4 weeks at home in Rotorua with my whānau. Keeping healthy, physically and mentally during this time is so important, and music for me is a big part of that. Over the next month, my goal is to lift the spirits of viewers by connecting with other musicians around the motu, sharing their whāata and thoughts with us. Get ready to be lifted. Fran Kora is a multi-talented musician and actor who exploded onto the music scene alongside his brothers in the early 2000s with their band Kora. They were game changers for the local industry with their unique and captivating sound. Today he's still busy leading Kora and also performing with the Modern Māori Quartet. This is Fran Kora on Lifted. Cheer, my cuz. How are you, my brother?
Good, cuz. Yeah.
Bro, if you could just tell us, cuzzy, where you are in the country, bro, and who you're isolating with.
Oh, yeah. I'm in Papamoa.
Yeah.
Plenty. In isolation with my partner and their kids.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mean.
And, yeah, it's awesome.
And how is everyone, bro? What's the feeling like in the whare? Is a week in? How's it all going?
Yeah. That's good. I'm sure Mumsy's pulling her hair out.
with you or the kids? Nah. And bro, and for yourself as well, bro. You're a dad as well, cuz. How's that been? With baby in isolation as well, and just been video calling.
Yeah, Miss Baby, she's up in Auckland, my daughter.
Yeah.
And because luckily for this, bro, social media and stuff, you can contact them every day.
Yeah. Yeah.
You still can't beat the physical element, It's just like,
That's it.
Jump through the screen and give them a hug,
Yeah, that's it, cuz, that's it. And bro, I guess for the whānau out there, everybody is definitely aware of, Kora, yourself and your brothers and the band. But some people might not know that you're actually a part of Modern Māori Quartet as well, bro.
Oh, yeah. The quartet started, we all went to New Zealand drama school all the different years. And, instead of waiting at the phone for a phone call for an audition, when the bros, James Tito started it, he goes, bro, let's turn this into something, because it always just, the guitar, as you know,
yeah.
The guitar comes out at the parties, and then junior chuckers go, and then there's like vibrato and the vocals competitions.
Yeah. Chilling comp? Nah. Yeah.
And then, it's basically like a Billy T. James show.
Yeah.
Or a ticket thing on stage.
Yeah.
Guys party in suits on stage.
And it must be cool too, bro, having like a different crowd and sort of like having two different lanes. Like Kora is obviously on the the festival sort of circuit, that kind of thing, and then doing the more corporate stuff and that kind of stuff with Modern Māori Quartet.
Yeah. So hat swapping.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, it's just heaps of fun, bro. It's very, very Māori.
Yeah.
Entertaining, have a good laugh.
Yeah, sure, bro. And bro, one thing I wanted to talk to you about too, cuz, is that you guys went to China last year, and with everything that's going on in the world, bro, can you give us a little insight into their culture, bro, and how it was over there? Because it was just before this all happened, end of last year, you guys were there.
Yeah, it was, bro. We got back in November, I think. Went over in October, come back in November. And then, shortly after that, it all kind of went down.
Yeah.
But culture over there, it's very different, and without sounding racist or anything, I learned more about the culture from their driving rules, bro.
Oh, true.
Yeah. Like, basically, when they're driving in China, you don't even bother about looking at the rearview mirrors. And all they do is see what's in front of you in this angle.
Yeah.
The car behind you automatically knows to pull back if they're going to pull left into a space.
Yeah.
And that's the way they operate. So even when they go and queue up to lines for, it might often happen. They go, hey, bloody hell, pushing in the line. It's not that they're pushing in. That's just the way that's all they know.
Yeah.
Going forward because so many people in.
And that's it, bro. I guess it's just in terms of like space isn't really a thing there, Like the luxury of having 2 meters when you're lining up at the dairy, or?
Yeah, bro. And they're like, don't be offended if someone pushes in front.
Yes.
It's a big the thing I learned the most from the Chinese culture.
Yeah.
How they move. And all they do is think forward. That's the only way you can really experience it is just by being there.
Yeah.
And then you understand what they're driving from. You understand that, oh, okay. Once you understand that, it's...
Just applies to every part of their life, eh? And bro, how have you found, I know that you're a keen surfer, and you like to be in the water. So 2 weeks for you must feel like 2 years, eh, at the moment? Not being able to surf?
Yeah. No, I'm definitely desperate for a wave.
Yeah.
Looking to the the cruise.
Yeah.
And they just do the young, before the sun comes up. There's no one around.
Oh, boost up for... We'll keep that one quiet, eh, kids? Oh, crack up. Bro, and for your fellas, like your parents and that, bro, they must be pretty stoked of how things happen for all you boys, eh, bro? Successful in your own right, for the brothers, all doing their own things and collectively as well. Yeah. Yeah.
But I think, they're just, I think as long as the boys are happy, their kids are happy, and any parent, they're just stoked. But I think they're more happy because their kids are going to these festivals and go out the back and
if you're busy. Yeah.
Have a young show off there.
Yeah. Let's crack up, bro. Well, cause the whole kaupapa for this show lifted, bro, is to do that, bro. Just lift the spirits of our whānau by sharing, a bit of insight into your life. Yeah. Yeah, bro. So if you wouldn't mind, would you mind sharing a few jams with us, cuz?
Yeah, sweet as, cuzzy.
Mean.
Yeah, kia ora te whānau. Here's a song called Politician. It's an oldie but a goodie, mixed with another song called War. Dedicate this to Jacinda. Cheer, girl. Love your mahi, girl. Keep up the good mahi, girl. Fuck. Ayo. Yeah. Politician, can you make a right decision for all of us? For all of us. Politician, can you make a right decision for all of us? Yeah, for all of us. You can talk the talk, but when you walk the walk, when you bring us comfort, when you bring us comfort. You can talk the talk, but when you walk the walk, when you bring us comfort, when you bring us comfort. Oh, politician, can you make a right decision for all of us? For all of us. Politician, can you make a right decision for all of us? Yeah, for all of us. The war is on 'cause the things you said. Politician wins the roof on my head. The world wants some peace, you want to start dead. Two notches on your belt, sending glory to your head. War is on 'cause the things you said. Politician wins the roof on my head. The world wants some peace, you want to start dead. Two notches on your belt, and the glory to your head. Rastaman, we brothers, we dropping rhymes, kings the last time with the kingdom come. We come and stop it. Tripping the mic 'cause I'm coming to say I'm on the waves with the forces of my brethren. I say, you the man, but when you're gone, we're going to party through the night for the death of his name. The greed of a man makes a mind have the same decisions of your lives, turn the world into shame. Baby, oh, got to be coronavirus. Baby, Whoa, got to be, yeah. Politician, can you make a right decision for all of us? For all of us. Politician, can you make a right decision for all of us? Yeah, for all of us. Politician, can you make a right decision?
Me, too much, brother Fran. Thank you, my cuz. Thank you so much, bro, for sharing your beautiful whānau with us and giving us insight into your life, brother. Appreciate your time, bro. And lastly, is there anything that you want to say to everyone out there in ISO at the moment?
Oh, really, just if you're with family, you really enjoy this time with your whānau. Yep, got no choice, so might as well embrace it and enjoy it. Enjoy this. What would you say? Government-paid holiday.
Beautiful, my bro. Well said, cuzzy. Well, once again, cuz, thank you for your time, and I'll let you have the last word, bro, and take us out with a final whānau.
Thank you, my cuz. Mate, love, my brother.
Cheers, my brother.
Yes.
All right, here's a new song I wrote last week during lockup. It's about all my besties out there. God, I miss you guys. When I see you, I'm going to hug you to death. Here's a song called Me and You. Me and you, ain't nothing that we can do. 'Cause when we're together, it's only gonna spread the news. 'Cause we up to no good, we up to no good, we up to bad things. Me and you, ain't nothing that we can do. 'Cause when we're together, it's only gonna spread the news. 'Cause we up to no good, we up to no good, we up to bad things. Without a doubt, you're always the first one to come to my call. You don't have to say it to each other. You're too proud to admit to each other that you're number one. But I got you, and we both know, yeah. 'Cause here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Bottle, 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 Māori prearranged and can't stop it, don't even try it. You'll only be killing the process. So just chill and feel the boogie batty groove. And when you think you just can't deal, buckle up. 'Cause here we go, here we go, here we go now. Ain't nothing that we can do. 'Cause when we're together, it's only gonna spread the news. 'Cause we up to no good, we up to no good, we up to bad things. Now here we go again, another day down with another late start. 'Cause your head is pounding. Sweater than the last time, promise. Famous last words, honest. Hey, or you say, what are you doing later? I shake my head because, well, you know. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Bottle pan bottle, Māori prearranged and can't stop it, don't even try it. You'll only be killing the process. So just chill and feel the boogie batty groove. And when you think you just can't deal, buckle up, here we go. Yeah. Nothing that we can do. Can't stop, won't stop. 'Cause when we're together, it's only gonna spread the news. 'Cause we up to no good, we up to no good, we up to bad things. Bad things, bad things. Only way to nice up evening. Nothing that we can do. Come on, let's go. It's only gonna spread the news. 'Cause we up to no good, we up to no good, we up to bad things. Hope you guys are safe out there. Love you, my mates. Love ya.